Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a quick video on what fits on this Louis Vuitton side up card holder. So this was released a few weeks ago and it's part of a limited or a special edition for a Fall For You collection of 2022. As you guys can see right there, the pattern. This is actually a colorful reinterpretation of a Louis Vuitton classic monogram. Right here, this one has a pink color on this corner right here of the logos. The pattern, this side corner right here has a pink, light, it's more likely a light pink color right there. On the other side as well, as you guys can see, this one has 1, 2, 3 card slots and another card slot on this side. We have 1 slot in the middle and it is 1 card slot right here at the back. So as you guys can see, that the first thing I've noticed when I went to the store and check this item, it's like the size. This seemed to look and feel like it is actually bigger than the normal Louis Vuitton card holder. So I have a card holder right here. This is a this one has 3 card slots. So 1, 2, and 3. So let me give you a little bit of a comparison in this. So this is the comparison. As you guys can see right there, the size difference. I'm gonna turn it on the other side. I think it's a little bit better because right there, see the size difference right there. And on this corner, wow, I love this color so much. So anyway, so I'm going to show you what fits on this beauty right here. Also, this the LV side-up card holder came in with a giant reverse monogram and a classic monogram as well. Like it has different patterns on the side, and I also like that. But since this one is a limited edition piece, and I also just wanted to add one for the Fall For You collection, and I decided to pick this beautiful card holder right here. Okay, it is made up of coated canvas on the side and it is lined with a smooth leather right here, smooth cowhide leather. And the inside, it has this lovely light pink color and it has this gold stamping right here, gold heat stamp that's made in France. This one has a microchip. And okay, I have several cards in here and these are my most used cards. So I have the actual cards. I think it would be better if I'll use the real cards though. So I just covered my information. So I think it would be better. So at least we'll be able to, you know, to see it better. So anyway, this is my most used card. So usually most of the time I place it right here in front. So let me slide it in. I like that it still has room on the corner. So you guys can see right there. It still has room though. It's not like tight. Like sometimes I have card holder and it's just like, it's just so snug that, you know, you can even like move the card. But I like it when there's still room on the corner. That way I think that helps protect the side corner of it. That's what my thought is. So right here, sometimes like when you use your card for a long time, you take it in, put it back in, take it out, put it back in. Usually this one right here gets a lot of pressure and you end up like, you know, it will lose its shape apparently, but yeah, I'm just scared that it would rip right here on the corner. But this one, I'm not sure though. I'm just not 100% sure. Well, depends on how you use it and how you took care of it. So anyway, but one thing that I always remember when I use a card holder, I would never stack them like double the cards in one card slot. No, I wouldn't do that. That is another reason that, you know, the corner would eventually pop and lose its shape. So anyway, that's my used card right there. The second one is right here. It fits perfectly fine. And I have my third card right here. It does seem to look like it's perfect. Yeah, very nice. Totally love this pattern. And this one has 3 card slot right here, and also another card slot right here. This one seems to be very roomy though. That's what I have noticed right away. So right when I put the cards, it just started like to open up for some reason. So anyway, that's how it looks right there. So let's take a look at the others at the back. So most of the time I would, yeah, let me just put a card right here. So just to show you the size difference of the card holder, and that's how it looks right there. If I'm just gonna put the card. So this is pretty deep though, see? You could go all the way down right here. So probably not going to do that, just leave it right here. And we also have a card slot right here in the middle. Most of the time I use this middle right here to put my driver's license, for the reason that usually when we go out, we don't really take out our driver's license, or sometimes when we needed it. So usually I put it right here, so I don't need to take it out. And this one I usually put cash in here. So you could put some cash. This, I have a US dollar right here. I just fold it in half and it fits perfectly right to this lot right here, just like that. You could put as much as you want right there. And I love the setting. I do love the setting on this card holder. So anyway, that's how it looks. And also you could also secure some money right here. Wow, I totally like the fact that this is pretty roomy though. And also on the other side as well, let me just take this one out. If you prefer to put your cash right here, it's perfect. So anyway, this one is priced around, if I may remember, this is around 440 US dollars. That's before tax. And upon checking the website right now, it's still available to be ordered right here. And the side corner, as I have noticed, there is no glazing. This one actually, the piping on the side, it is made up of leather right here. So this is my Louis Vuitton side up card holder for the Fall For You collection of 2022. I mean, it's up to you guys. It's up to you what you're gonna put on this card slot right here. This is just for reference use only. Once again, this is the comparison of these 2 card holders right here. On the back right here, this is made up of an empreinte leather. So yeah, so anyway, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.